Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Ford Escape SEL four-wheel drive, stock number E1671P. 65,000 miles on this Escape. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Tuxedo Black in color. The Escape is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Rear parking sensors for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. With a removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SEL has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry, remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 3 drivers, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large My Ford Touch infotainment system for navigation, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, radio, it's also satellite radio capable.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Hard keys below for climate. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And heated front seats. Storage in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, moonroof control, and home-link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Escape has a 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 178 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, new brakes, and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more information on this Escape, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.